the extent of us drifting today, Jarrett. That was some professional maneuvers there. Hert definitely put us in the middle of nowhere. We're in Apple Valley. At least maybe 10 miles ago we were. I think we're now like at the place where they filmed Texas Chainsaw Massacre. They got the Corvette is broken. It would have shaken itself to death right here, or got stuck in sand. I hope we have the right address. That is truly in the middle of nowhere. Good, how are you?
Not bad.
We're just gonna spectate.
Okay. Me too.
It's the Corvette dude.
Oh, yeah.
Not LS.
Yeah, no, they got it. I'm floating, and he comes inside, BAM! And just pushes through. I'm ready now.
I can go home now.
I'm ready now.
I drifted with her. Yeah, good. We're good.
Yeah, he did his favorite Forza move. Now he's out. I'll give you guys a ride later once I put the seatbelt in. I just haven't put the seatbelt in yet.
That's so cool. Is he coming back for? Oh, he's coming back for another one. This is so badass that there are all Rotary cars out drifting today. Today is 7/7, July 7th. Kind of a thing for all of us Rotary guys to celebrate today. This is one of the finest ways to do it because Rotaries are definitely not meant for that insane high peak power output. Just this isn't what the Rotary is meant to do it, and these guys doing it, I don't know.
Gives you a chubby?
It gives me a semi-chub. I think it's the morning beer that's doing that.
The morning beer is giving you a quarter chub.
Yeah, man. I think I just got a little air bubble in the system, so I'm cooling it down and I'm gonna refill it up because it's just like fluctuating. It's ripping.
Yeah.
Now I wanted to go through some of the cars here only because there's just one FC that has a 1J in it. So everybody else is actually rocking the Rotaries, and here we have the Torque Stallion, gorgeous setup, beaten to shit. And that's the point. That's what these guys do. Way harder than I ever do. It's like the 13BRE Cosmo sort of two-rotor. That's that sort of manifold. Elite made an updated version of it.
Is that one custom?
It's custom, but the company makes it. You will actually find I had a set of these intakes that came from a Cosmo, like the two-rotor Cosmo, and it has this like three-rotor curve to it right here.
Yeah, that's what I was like. Whoa, that's pretty sick.
Yeah. And, oh my God, you know what's funny? Look at this. Hert runs a oil and water-cooled turbo and doesn't run the water cooling on it. That thing can handle it. So he could cool it with his radiator, but he doesn't. He just runs it through his oil. That's pretty badass. Something that I like is that he's got his full front tube did. And that's what I want to do with the three-rotor.
Oh yeah, this is what you've been talking about.
Yeah. That's the sort of concept where it plates for the correct pop-up headlights and everything like that. He's a trader. Yeah, something J, 1J, 2J, something J. It's Toyota, and I know it's inline 6. That's all I know.
God, that thing is big.
Yeah, it is a massive. Holy shit, it is a massive. And for everybody making fun of the modern Supra having, oh my God, BMW, blah blah blah. Jared, what's that name right back there?
Walmart.
Yeah, you know what Yamaha makes? They make pianos. And so let's just put it this way: a piano manufacturer helped make the infamous 2JZ, and I'm not wrong saying that, but you guys can give Toyota a little bit of slack when you talk about BMW.
I never thought about.
Is that funny?
Hello, sexy.
Yeah, that is clean. He's got carpet. The carpet mod. See the bumper and everything. This is a 5th series, not the 4th. That fun. Oh my God, my brother actually owned a T2 while I owned an NA, and upset me to no end. But, oh, I love T2s. Oh shit, this one's a right-hand drive. Yeah, we're both missing our FCs. We have 2 4-rotors in the shop. We have 3-rotor, a rotary Corvette. We're both like, I want my $1,300 FC.
Lambos, CCSPs, 4-rotors.
Everything's all like way insane horsepower. But see, that's a true car enthusiast. It's somebody who actually cares about just the raw, slow car experience. Oh, now here, look at this. This is actually the first engine. This is the first 13B I ever got to work on, which is an NA. I got a one-eyed SpongeBob. Sounds like a euphemism, but it's not. Those are my favorite ice cream to get. Jarrett and I have had the biggest discussion for probably 6 months now about Jarrett is mind blown that they came up with tire barriers when I'm simply saying, oh man, spare tires, let's just set them on the side of the track for a moment because they're just, you know, trash, and then somebody accidentally crashed into them and people are like, oh my God, this is a good use of one of the most common used parts of a car. Jarrett, on the other hand, just
What I'm saying is that it's weird that it just so happens to be part of a car, to be something that stops your car from crashing. Like, they just figured that out.
They didn't figure it out. It was an accident, I promise you. And it's the most common part that you use, so that it's trash. They literally stack trash on the side of it.
So maybe it's not weird that they use them, but maybe it's weird that it just so happens to be part of your car.
Guys, look at this. Look at this a tire ecosystem forming already, and Jarrett just can't believe that this is possible. Somebody's just like, fuck it, you know what, I'm going to try and organize all this trash we have. Let's just set them in a row all around the place. It's a racetrack. It looks cool. Guarantee that's how it started.
That it looks cool.
Yeah, they're just like, you know, we could throw these out, or that's a lot of money. Let's just set them there for something to use later.
You're telling me you think they did it first because it looked cool?
They did it because they had to throw them out, and there's like EPA requirements, and like, okay, screw it, we'll just stack them on the side of the track because it looks cool.
We're gonna have to let the comments decide.
Yeah, we have to. What do you guys think? Is it weird? You word it, Jarrett. Because if I word it, they're gonna ruin you.
Okay. In the comments, let us know. Do you think it's weird that not that they are using them, but the fact that it just so happens that car parts are useful to stop your car? If you don't think that's weird, I'm gonna launch myself into space.
You literally said, hey guys, just so you know, do you think it's weird that tires are used to stop your car? It's windy, it's 3 in the afternoon, we're trying to capture the roads before, it doesn't even make sense, but we're trying to get on the road before the Vegas traffic back to LA. But what a wonderful day, what an awesome group of people. RX-7s, first gens, second gens, third gens, and even the venerable RX-8 made it out today.